Welcome viewers. Here is the continuation of the topic set operations. In our previous lesson, we discussed the union, the complement, the universal, and the intersection. Now we are moving to another aspect of a set operation, and that is a difference of set or difference of two sets. Difference of sets. This will now be number 4. So, difference of sets. So, what do we mean by difference of sets? For example, suppose we have set A and set B. Now, A minus B, which is difference of A and B. A minus B simply means members of A that are not in B. Members of A that are not in B. That is what we mean by A minus B. Or we say B minus A, members of B that are not in A. For example, now, suppose we have this set A equals to 2, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4. We have this set A. We have another set B. 3, 6, 8, 9, 10. Now, A minus B, and that is why A minus B and B minus A, they are not always the same. Whenever A minus B equals to B minus A, it means the two sets are the same. Now, A minus B so now what are the members of A that are not here? 2 is not here, so 2 is not. 5 is not here. 7 is not. 4 is not. So now we have 2, 5, 7, 4. So it means A minus B is 2, 5, 7, 4. So these are the members of A that are not in B. Also, B minus A. Members of B that are not here. That is B minus A. Now let's check it together again. 10 is not here. So 9 again is not. 8 is not. Okay. 3 and 6 are here. So these are just the B minus A. And that is what we mean by difference of two sets. So members of one that are not in the other sets. Now, another one is what we call symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. Symmetric difference. What do we mean by symmetric difference of two sets? So I'm going to use this difference to explain what we mean by symmetric difference. Then another thing I want to, before we move on again, if we can have it as difference of two sets, you can write it like this, or you write or A slash B. This is A minus B. Or you write this one as B slash A. So this. So now, symmetric difference. Symmetric difference is the union, and the symbol for symmetric difference is this. So when we say A, symmetric difference between A and B is the union of A minus B and B minus A. A minus B union B minus A. That is what we call a symmetric difference. For example now, so if you want to calculate the symmetric difference now, you have to first take out the members of A that are not in B. You also take out members of B that are not in A. Then you combine the two together, because we say union is the combination of two sets or two or more sets. Combine the members. So now here for this question, our symmetric difference A minus B is this. So our symmetric difference will now be set of 2, 5, 7, 4 union b minus a, which is 10, 9, 8. So now combine the two together. Now what do you have? So we have 2, 5, 7, 4, 10, 9, 8. And this is the symmetric difference of the two sets. So you can see now. So here is the symmetric difference. Number 6. Now, another one is cardinality of set. Cardinality of sets. I mentioned it earlier, but cardinality of set simply means the numbers of members of a set. Numbers of members of a set. Suppose most time we use this symbol, number of members of A, number of set A. This simply means, so now suppose we have set A equals 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. We have this set. What's the cardinality of this set? So you just count the member 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means cardinality of A equals to 6. And that is what we mean by cardinality of a set.